Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about the variable text enabling segmentation in Ezcad. It's also referred to as unified numbering in different positions. For example, a request like the top 4 digits and the bottom 4 digits require unified numbering. That means when the side reaches 9999, the next code jump should be to 1000, and it should be synchronized with the QR code. Let's demonstrate it. First, draw a text and add a sequence number to the text. 0001. OK. And draw another text and name this text A. Draw one more text and name it B. Then, rotate this text. Next, select the first text and enable advanced segmentation. Mark and increase by itself. Extract 4 digits from the first position in the string and assign them to A. Extract 4 digits from the 5th position and assign them to B. Click OK. Change the font of the first text to a QR code. Demonstrate again. The QR code is also synchronized. Now verify if it will jump to 10,000 when it reaches 9,999. We'll modify it and jump to 9,996. (9,997), 9,998. The enabling of variable text segmentation is complete. Additionally, this text can also be placed at any position. I can place it here or have both on the side, this one on the side, or both on the top. And they can be adjusted individually. The font type of a specific text can be adjusted individually. And you can also adjust its speed, power, and frequency individually to achieve different effects.